This is going to be a quick video on this driver platform from Trinamic ADI. Here's a picture of what this TMCM-1111 has got on it. It's got a microcontroller and a programmable motion controller, TMC 4361, and then it's got this driver TMC 262, and then some MOSFETs to be able to drive up to some higher power levels. So this is what we're going to be showing here in this video. Here is the controller box with all those devices inside of it. Coming in on the side, we've got a 24 volt power supply. Here is the power supply. Basically, I got this power connector in the box, which it wasn't too helpful for me, so I had to go find a appropriate power connector to plug into the back of this guy to get the 24 volts over here. I also had to pop out these screws here and plug in this cable that goes over to this motor configuration here. So here you can see the glass is going back and forth via the stepper controller. We also have this switch on the S wave, which is the wave that's got a smoother transition when you're accelerating from start to stop, and you can see the liquids are not really moving around too much. So when we come over here and we flip the switch to the T wave, we can see the water just starts bouncing around. So it's not smooth at all. It's more like a triangle wave with some sharp edges on the acceleration deacceleration curves. So that's what this demo is about. And flipping the switch back, we can see that the liquids settle down and there's not a lot of distortion going on there. Also wanted to show you how to start up this configuration. So let me hit the pause button for a second. So right now I unplugged the power off the AC to DC supply, and then I put this motor in a position you can move it somewhat freely. So it's almost at the end, but not completely at the end. And so that's on the far right side of me right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this thing in on the AC. And when I plug this thing in, this motor is gonna start moving back and forth. If I get lucky, it's going to move in the right direction. Oh, let me plug that back in there. Okay, so it almost slid off the end there and it actually got stuck. So what I'm going to do is unplug the AC again, and I'm going to try to move this thing down here at the end right about so. And then let me plug the AC back in and see what happens if this thing starts up. Okay. It got pretty close to the end, but it looks like it's running fairly decent. It's got a little extra room over here on this side. It's almost to the end, so maybe I'll try to start that again. I'm going to let it come this way. I'm going to unplug the power, and I'm going to push it down that way a little bit. Plug in the AC power again. Hopefully it goes the right way when it starts up. Okay, so now we got a little more margin on that side and this side, so they're about equal. So at this point, what I could do is I could take this water when it comes back to this point, and I'll just drop it in there. There you go. So I got the water in there. You can push it down into the foam a little bit, but that's how you get this demo up and going. Once again, we got the S wave and the T wave. I'm going to switch it down to the T, and we can see it's going to get all bouncy and spill everywhere. Not good. So hope you like this demo. Please like, share, and subscribe.